Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over the best ad placements for Amazon advertising. Now some of these ad placements are seeing ACoS as low as 5%. Part of advertising on Amazon is knowing where to put your product for the best results. If you're new to the channel, my name is Sebastian. I'm the founder of ZonRush, which is an Amazon advertising agency that helps sellers realize massive sales through enhanced marketing. We deliver videos like this every week to help you improve your Amazon advertising. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. That way, as I give more Amazon advertising tips like this, you'll get notified. So the first ad placement that we're seeing incredible results right now for our clients is product targeting ads and category placements. So basically what product targeting ads are advertisements that are targeting your competitors' ASINs directly instead of Amazon's default strategy, which is keyword targeting. So this way, if you offer a much more competitive product which is higher quality, better pricing, better images, etc., it's much more optimized for Amazon SEO as well, then you'll be able to funnel sales directly from your top competitors on page one to your listing because your offer is more attractive to the buyers. And what's really neat about product targeting ads specific placements is if your competitors are driving traffic to their listing through PPC or by whatever means that they're using, you'll be able to funnel that additional traffic directly to your listing just because your offer is much more competitive. And right now with the holiday season here, buyers are looking for really competitive offers in order to get the best deals right now. And so basically what that looks like, and I'll just go ahead and show you some of the results. We just built out this product targeting campaign for a client, and you can see their return on ad spend is almost out of 5, which is pretty good. And what you want to get, the way you get this particular campaign set up is really easy. The first method when you're creating your campaigns is to let Amazon select the ASINs for you. And that's fine. You can do it that way if you're just testing out the results. But you can also do your own research for looking at competitors that are similar to your product. And the fastest way to do that is just to go to Amazon, type in your main keyword, and you can go ahead and copy all of the ASINs from page 1, page 2. And what you can do is just paste those ASINs into the campaign and go ahead and target it that way. And there's a lot of cool tools that you can use. I know Helium 10 has a Chrome extension that you can use. You simply activate the Chrome extension once you're on Amazon, and it'll download all of the ASINs for you. And that way it'll make it super easy to just copy them and paste them into a Amazon advertising campaign. Now the next Amazon advertising placement that we're seeing get really great results for our clients are video ads. So in order to use video ads on Amazon, you do need to be brand registered. So if you do plan on selling on Amazon long term, I would recommend looking into getting a registered trademark and then registering that trademark on Amazon so that we can get access to all of these neat advertising tools that they offer in order to get you better advertising results. So video ads, as you can see, are doing really well, and that's because video ads appeal to customers in a different way. Instead of targeting keywords and just doing regular standard headline search ads, video ads allow an engaging experience for the shopper to see your product in use and in the best light possible using your product. So if they're able to visualize through a video what your product can do, and it's a high quality video, then these ads, it's pretty obvious why they're doing extremely well. And it's just because video is just much more of an engaging process as opposed to the static images. And so that's probably why we're seeing such great results right now on Amazon video ads. And you can see video ads, again, they're going to be similar in the sense that you can still target keywords, but the main context of the ad itself is going to be video. So creating video is not even as hard as you think. You can simply go to a website like Fiverr and just type in video editing services or video ad services, and you can quickly find a freelancer that can build a video for your product. All you have to do is simply ship them the product and they'll have it ready for you in a couple of days. That's really how easy it is to get a video for your product. If you are right now brand registered, it'll just take 10 minutes to do, and you can get these really profitable advertising campaigns up and running in no time. Well, there you have it, guys. The best ad placements for Amazon advertising. This is the best place to start because Q4 traditionally is much more competitive than the other quarters throughout the year. So you really want to refine exactly where your product is being placed in order to maximize your Amazon advertising spend and boost your sales. If you found this video resourceful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. That would mean the world to me. And if you have any questions at all, please leave me a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.